There are 3 load-download methods. RS to 3 to C communication cable model is C3M5P14-D9F0-D9F0. When connecting to a PC, a separate RS to 3 to C to USB communication converter is required. For USB cable, use a mini USB cable. For Ethernet cable, it is recommended to use category 5E or higher. There is a problem with the communication cable. When the communication interface is RS-3 to C. Check that editor is set to RS-3 to C. Check the communication port number in Device Manager. When the communication interface is USB, check that editor is set to USB. HMI-A series recognizes USB as an HID device. When the communication interface is Ethernet, check that editor is set to Ethernet. Check the IP address of PC. Check the IP address of the HMI. Set all to the same IP address except for the last octet. This is the case when the HMI model does not match. Click Project Property. Click GPLP Setting. Set the same as the model using the model name.